Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore card verification for online purchases with Stripe step by step clearly. To restore card verification for online purchases with Stripe, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar of the dashboard. Scroll down to the payments settings and click on payment methods. Locate the card settings option within this section. Check if the require card verification feature is currently enabled. If it is not enabled, click the toggle switch to activate it. Once you switch it on, you may need to configure additional verification settings. Look for options like CVC verification or AVS checks. Select the verification methods you want to implement for card transactions. After adjusting these settings, save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Next, navigate to the Developers section in the left sidebar. Click on Webhooks to ensure that your webhook endpoints are set up correctly. If you don't have webhooks configured, you will need to create a new endpoint. Enter the URL where your server can receive webhook events from Stripe. Select the relevant events, such as payment_intent.succeeded and payment_intent.payment_failed. Once you have configured your Lastly, conduct a test transaction to confirm that the card verification is functioning correctly. Monitor the transaction process and check for any verification prompts. If everything works smoothly, your card verification for online purchases with Stripe is successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.